to the dispatch desk. Go ahead.
Honorable Speaker, on the vote results for the roll vote, the ayes 176, the nays 81.
Order. Order.
Total number of members voting.
Order.
Total number of members voting 257. No abstention, nil.
Order. 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 Order, Angela. Order. Order. Wanjala. Order. 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 Ruth Odinga. For you newcomers, the results are not announced until the Speaker says so. And it's out of order for the orchestra led by my good friend Mukami and the orchestra led by Ruth Odinga this side. You are all out of order. Honorable members, the results of the division are as follows. Total number of votes cast, 257. The ayes, 176. The nays, 81. Abstentions, nil. The returning document on the vote is signed by P. Wanami Wamboka MP. The upshot of the vote is that the ayes have it. All the honorable members, you may be upstanding. Can the bars be drawn? Order. Okay. Order. The House is still gone. Take your